So you want to do photo or video at the local track, but don't know where to start? I'm here to tell you the way. My name's Austin Dewitt. I'm a motorsport and action sport cinematographer, and today we're going to show you how to get media access for a track or a specific event. Now, we have some things to go over first. Every track has their own safety standards you need to abide by. Even if you are a media correspondent for a specific event, you still need to abide by track rules. Track rules are fairly general. It comes down to wardrobe, long sleeve, certain crossing points on the track, and depending on the event, you will only have certain places you can stand. Every track is a little different, every event organizer is a little different, but generally most rules are the same. Now, when it comes to gear, one of the requirements for media is professional level equipment. So without further ado, let's hop onto the computer and let's fill out these two applications. We're going to start off with a track, and then we're going to go with an event organizer. So here we are over on the track website. And what we will do, I always scroll down to the bottom of the site, see if there's anything for us down here. And if there's not, I'll head back to the top. And I'll start looking through all these drop downs for anything to do with media. That would be right here, media and news. So here we got our media credentials application and our event video and photo guidelines. Here's all the rules that must be followed. They will be different through every single racetrack, so keep that in mind. And here is the credential form. Okay, you must have a waiver of liability. You will enter your first name. I'll blur that out. Your last name, your company or Instagram handle, whatever that would be. I'm just going to abbreviate mine. And then your media type, digital, photo, and video. If you only do one or the other, you only do what you do. Holy. Website if you have one, your Instagram, any socials that you have, YouTube, all of it, your home address, I'm not going to enter that for obvious reasons, your phone number, not entering that for obvious reasons, your Gmail, how you're going to be using these. Are you going to be resold? Yes or no? If you are shooting for a documentary or a film, you're going to want to put that down. And here's where you request what parts of the track. A specific event, the drag strip, the oval, road course, full season would mean full track access. And then if you have any, you just hit submit, and that's that. So here, for one of the event organizers, we got Spec D. It's Western Canada's Formula Drift Pro Spec licensing series. And we got media applications here. So here we have just some notes. The event holder is not responsible for damaged equipment or cameras or anything like that. Just saying you have to refill out yearly. Here's your requirements here. Absolutely no Crocs. Once in a while, shoes are allowed. You always need a high-vis vest. Must use a professional, hobbyist drone or camera equipment. Absolutely no cell phone use outside of spectator areas. So you guys can pause, look over those if you want. Here's the media credential policies. And then just like before, you fill out everything the same. Instagram, primary, photo, video. Have I shot there before? Yes. Am I shooting for a driver drift team? Yes.
Mr. Brett Alexander.
We kind of want to shoot every single event. We're not 100% sure we're going to make it out to the BC ones this year, but we're going to try. So you sign up for all of them, not a robot, and then you submit. So now that all that's sent out, we just have to patiently wait for a response. If you don't get approved, you may not get a message saying that you are not approved. Anytime I have not been approved for an event, I have not received a message. When you do get acceptance emails, they'll look a little something like this. And these are from last year. I'm still waiting on the emails from this year. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, we get everything we applied for. Only time will tell. And that's all there is to getting a media pass for an event or a track. It's honestly pretty simple. It could be a little different in your area. You could have a media fee you need to pay. There could be plenty of other things. I am pretty north in Canada. I'm located in Edmonton, and we got a short season and they want to get as much media out as possible to bring in as many people and events as possible. If you would like to see what I pack to these events and how I shoot these events, drop a comment and a like, and we can make that the next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.